What's up, everybody? We're out here in Portland, Oregon today. We hit Matt's Barbecue here on Mississippi Street. We're gonna try a chopped brisket sandwich along with the jalapeno sausage, as well as the potato salad. So first off, let's dig in. I've only been to a couple of barbecue spots out here in the area. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do the honor. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some barbecue sauce on top of this. Yeah. It's got a little chopped onion in there too. From what I gather, being there waiting for my food, this place is A1. Let's find out. All right, staying together well. I can tell we got a little drippage. Hold up. There we go. Look at that. Got some onion, got some pickle. Let's dive in. I got a squirter. Yo, this is good right here. I know why there was a line now. Got that little snap back from that pickle too. Bun lightly toasted. Just want to enjoy this. Yeah. Brisket jumping. Pickle good. Let's check out the potato salad. Nice and hot here in the city today. 80 plus. Yeah, I needed that. They got somebody sneaking in and making this potato salad. All right, we got the jalapeno sausage with the side pickles. Damn. Something about jalapenos and sausage and cheddar. I can't knock it. It's the best barbecue I had in the city. If you want the best barbecue in Portland, as of right now, this is where it's at. Let me know what you think about this spot, where I should go next. I'll catch y'all next time.